She fell into the river, and she never reached the shore. She drinks some poison, and lies there on the floor. She was reading and walking. Her silver stone didn't look where she was going. She was eating and talking. She choked on a bone. Now she never leaves her home. Crossed a rotted oak bridge and fell into a ledge. Stuck her finger in an outlet and was grounded evermore. She swung on a rock. The crocodiles beneath her blood brought and died. She played in the rain. A bolt of lightning found her out and laid forth her alone. She fell in a volcano and she sank into the core. She went into a jaguar's den and came out nevermore. The desert was water. She ran out of water. The vultures found her hide. She sat on a scorpion. The venom dropped her swiftly. And Dora's not let go. She tried to get away. Jumped. She was gored. She walked on the train track. She never guessed what was in store. She played with some snakes. Red next to yellow. What was it? She wasn't sure. To rescue